Longevity smoothie recipe number 2. Pineapple, turmeric, greens. Looking for a refreshing and healthy smoothie that can support your longevity and boost overall well-being? Look no further than the pineapple, turmeric, and greens smoothie. This nutrient-packed drink combines tropical sweetness, anti-inflammatory power, and vibrant greens to nourish your body and promote long-term health. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh pineapple. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and the enzyme bromelain, which supports digestion and reduces inflammation. Its natural sweetness makes it a delicious base for your smoothie. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric is a powerful root that supports joint health, digestion, and skin wellness. The active compound curcumin is what makes turmeric so effective in fighting inflammation and promoting longevity. 1 handful of leafy greens, spinach, kale, or Swiss chard. These nutrient-dense greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are low in calories but high in antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress and promote heart health. 1/2 banana, optional. A banana adds extra creaminess to your smoothie while providing potassium to support heart health and hydration. 1 cup coconut water or almond milk. Both options help hydrate your body and enhance the overall taste of the smoothie. Coconut water is particularly rich in electrolytes, making it a great choice for hydration. Instructions: in a blender, combine the pineapple, turmeric powder, leafy greens, and banana, if using. Pour in your choice of coconut water or almond milk to help blend everything smoothly. Blend until smooth and creamy. Adjust the consistency by adding more liquid if needed. Pour into a glass, garnish with a sprinkle of turmeric or a few pineapple chunks for extra flair, and enjoy! Health benefits: this smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, from anti-inflammatory turmeric to the vitamin-rich greens. The pineapple aids digestion and provides a natural sweetness, while turmeric works to combat inflammation, improve joint health, and support the immune system. The greens provide essential vitamins like A, C, and K, while also helping detoxify the body and maintain a healthy gut. Final thoughts: by incorporating this pineapple, turmeric, and green smoothie into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural defenses, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall vitality. It's a delicious way to nourish yourself and promote long-term health. Cheers to your longevity! Longevity isn't just luck, it's lifestyle. Hit that thumbs up if you're committed to the long game. Subscribe for weekly insights and tag someone who's walking this path with you.